Hey YouTube, so I'm back again with my 91 Miata, continuing where I left off with my audio installation. If you saw my previous video, you'll see that I installed my Alpine head unit. Started out with the Metra install kit, which I did not like, and I did a brief comparison between the Metra install kit and the DDM Works install kit, which was much better, and I highly recommend it. So I did that review, and I installed the Alpine, and then I ran one set of RCA leads under the center console for a subwoofer amplifier. So I'm actually going to change my plans since then. I was going to do one subwoofer amp for a 10-inch sub, but actually I'm going to do 2 amps. I'm going to do a 2-channel amp for the door speakers and the mono amp for the sub. So that requires me adding a second set of RCAs. So I went ahead and I ordered a second set of identical Stinger RCA cables, which I have installed into the back of the head unit. As you can see here, running underneath that tunnel, if you see where that white plug is right there, there's a wire harness that connects to the ashtray light right about over here. So those are bundled up, they're zip tied about every 4 inches, and they're running underneath the carpet, and these are actually going to go right into this little gap right here. So you could take some of these panels off. I really don't want to do that. I'm going to go right through here. Now, to get those wires through there, they do have to be pushed pretty far before they can be grabbed on the other side inside the trunk. Now, I needed something to really fish those through, and I was going to use a wire hanger, but it turns out I don't have any wire hangers. So what I did have was an old Miata dipstick. So this is one I just had laying around, and I simply taped the wire to the end of the dipstick and just fished that through, and hey, it works. So to do this, you're actually going to want to go up and to the left. This is the driver's side of the car here, so you're going to go up and that way, and you go as far in as you can, then you can grab it on the other side. Okay, here she is. Alright, that's how you get through into the trunk. The cables are through and into the trunk. I will need to repeat this process for the speaker wires to go from the 2-channel amp back through this hole and to the door speakers.